The inquiry into the Welsh Government's acquisition to dispose of the River Lodge Hotel has been one of the most illuminating and troubling, I'm afraid to say, that we've ever undertaken as a Public Accounts Committee. We know that potentially over £1 million worth of taxpayers' money has been wasted as a result of decisions which were taken during the course of this particular project. And as if that weren't concerning enough, we also found that there were serious flaws in civil services, in the civil service systems and processes which led to some of the decisions which have been made. Now, the Welsh Government has told us during the course of the inquiry that they've improved some of these processes, but unfortunately we were left with the impression as a committee that even given those improvements, there would have been very similar decisions taken, and that's why we feel that there still need to be further changes. We want to see staff turnover issues addressed in terms of handover between new members of staff and old members of staff. We want to see ministers receiving accurate briefings, especially when there's a change of minister from a predecessor's papers to a new minister coming in. We want to make sure that they have all of the information that they need in order to make sensible decisions. What we can't have is what we've seen with the River Lodge, and that is that the Welsh Government effectively had the corporate memory of a goldfish.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales, and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.